Hi guys, in today's video, we'll talk about how to create a blog post on your Wix blog site. So if you're ready to tell your first story or share your knowledge, here's how you can do it. Go to your site's dashboard and go to blog on the left. And here, simply click on create new post. On this field, input your title. And then start writing your content over here. If you're having a hard time with writing, use Wix's AI writing assistant to help you kickstart things. Simply click on Content AI here, input your prompt, click this button, or hit the Enter key on your keyboard, and Wix's AI will then start generating a content based on the prompts you provided. You can then insert it, and it will automatically be added to your page. Use this as a guide or as a starting point. When it comes to formatting your text, you can use the tools over here on the toolbar above. When it comes to adding elements, go to the plus button, and here you can add elements such as images, AI images, gallery, and so much more. Here you also have the AI tools panel, where you can utilize Wix's AI tools to help you with your content. Then we have the settings panel. This is where you can set a featured image, set your published date, select your author or writer for your blog post. This is also where you can set up categories and tags for it in order to better organize your blog posts or content. Next, we have the SEO panel. This is where you can choose a template or get a custom built site to optimize it for search engines. We have the monetize panel, where you can set up a paywall. Then you have Translate in order to reach readers beyond your site's main language. And then Apps to help optimize your posts and drive more traffic to your site. Once you're done working on your content, make sure to review it once or even twice to ensure it's perfect. And once all good, you can either save it or publish it right away. And there you have it. Hope this video was helpful. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.